The Caltex Havoline autoPro workshop has added another site to its fast-growing network with the opening of its latest service center in Banawe, Quezon City.
So we're very excited. This is our sixth autoPro site in the country, and we are actually planning to open as many as 50 sites before the end of the year. So we're very excited, and we are welcoming everybody to this grand launch. As everybody would know, Banawe is perhaps the center of auto services in the country, right? So this is probably for many generations have been the destination for car enthusiasts. So having one facility in Banawe is actually making our services available to consumers, especially car enthusiasts.
Owned and operated by Transit Asia Auto Services Co., the Havoline autoPro workshop assures car owners that their vehicles will get quality products and services with a professional setup that makes customers feel welcome the moment they arrive. The opening also brings added convenience to the everyday driver.
This is in partnership with Transit Asia Services Company. They're actually providing a comprehensive services to the motorist. Aside from the quick lube services, they do preventive maintenance checkup. They have tire services, they have wheel balancing services, among many other things. So I think for our consumers, they'll be delighted. Once they come over, they'll see a fully renovated facility that makes them feel welcome as soon as they come in. We in Caltex, with our program Havoline autoPro, will be providing training for the mechanics here so that they can provide preventive maintenance checkup for our motorists. At the same time, they will also be able to handle the customers with their concerns so that customers will feel the peace of mind when they bring the cars here. It's like leaving the facility with a clean bill of health for their cars.
Havoline autoPro workshop program not only operates in the Philippines but also in other countries in the region. It is tailored for quick lube and automotive service business owners who want to partner with a global brand to gain credibility as a preferred operator. It offers the right expertise and resources to grow and protect their business without the franchisee and royalty fees. Caltex said they are expanding this program as they share the same objective with its trade partners, and that is to bring more value to the customers.
We want this facility to be replicated all over the country. We're targeting to open as many as 50 sites all over the country so that more consumers can enjoy the services and the quality products of Havoline. I'd like to invite all our motorists, our customers, come over to Transit Asia Services Company in partnership with Havoline autoPro here in Banawe, corner Santa Rosa Street, here in Manresa, Quezon City. Come over and enjoy promotions and great service.